Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, my people. I'm just coming to do this quick catch up. It's been raining. You all know I'm dealing with some issues here, and I might just have a new blog to do, a new blog subject to do on aging and dementia. I'm learning so much, I think it's going to be worth the while to go ahead and do some blogging on things that I've learned, and it might even help some other people kind of understand or try to give you some ideas and tips that you can, of things that you can do to help your loved ones or your patients with their dementia. I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse. I was a medical assistant who took care of some dementia patients and some elderly patients who did not have dementia, but could be difficult to deal with because they're sort of set in their ways. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you to, stay positive, whatever you do. Never internalize anything that they say or do because they really don't mean it. Most times they don't even know that they're acting out of the ordinary. Or it could be a sense of being